your destination in 700 feet. Your destination is on the left.
Public parking. Didn't know it was that big. Swallows Inn. Look. And oh, that's cute too. But like if they only have pizza. That's a cute place. Capistrano Plaza.
We'll go this way first.
This
to look
Hennessy.
for restaurants.
There's the Mission over there. We're still just looking for a place to eat. First,
Yeah, Bloom.
In 300
Bloom.
feet,
Yeah,
turn
that's
right
Bloom.
onto El Camino Real.
Mission Promenade.
Turn right.
Oh my, it's traffic jam.
We need to make a right.
This one is a cute place too. This one,
Cedar Creek.
Cedar Creek. Yeah, there's a lot of people.
Yun, El Cafe Real.
Park muna tayo if we can park here.
Parking,
Here.
no? Here.
Yeah, here.
In
And then we
400
can walk
feet,
around.
turn right, then turn right again.
Mission parking. Oh. We'll park here.
Yeah. Just
4 hours maximum.
yeah. It's fine. We can
We're not gonna stay here for
park
hours.
4 hours.
We're
yeah.
gonna eat.
And then walk to the Mission. They have Swallow Inn there. Swallows Inn. And then there is the promenade. So you need to pay for the parking space first. It's only $2 for 2 hours. We're looking for a place to eat first. Oh, there's more there.
I want to
Grab this blue. Which blue? The blue? It's downtown San Juan Capistrano. Look at the...
People at Heritage Park. It's a line.
I know. Look at this. There's a trading post. There's Hennessy's like restaurant. We're probably eating at the rooftop. Not sure yet. But we're going to check the barbecue place over there. And that's the Mission. I'm checking this Mayfield Restaurant. Looks nice. Yeah. Is it a shop or a... Yeah, it's a restaurant, I think. This place. Which one? There's another Lavazza. There's another one. There's a bakery shop too. This one is the Mayfield. It looks so cute. Check.
We do like a plain French toast or the plain French toast or that with all the fancy stuff.
The fancy stuff.
I think I want the fancy stuff.
It's good.
But no whip.
My latte art. Oh, thank you. Very pretty. Look at my latte art, Josh.
Coffee.
So
Thank you.
pretty.
Of course, you guys enjoy.
Thank you. I'm having this coffee with latte art. Husband is having just a regular brewed coffee. This is husband shakshuka with what's that and then
Merguez sausage.
Morgan sausage. How's your food, Josh? How about your daddy? Daddy's food looks so good. This shakshuka with Morgan sausage.
Thanks.
This is Josh's French toast. Ooh, pretty Josh.
It smells good.
And this is my eggplant toast. We're here at
Mayfield.
Mayfield in San Juan Capistrano.
My shakshuka.
There are swallows out there. Look at the swallows. Here for Josh. And then we're going downstairs. We're going to the Mission now. Oh, there's like 5 vines. I think the barbecue place is somewhere here. This is very cute too. Is that the barbecue place? Oh, that's like, I think this is like one of the old town now. Look at that.
Yeah.
There's a lot of restaurants.
Oh,
There's a restaurant here.
that's where we ate.
Oh yeah, sorry. We are going right across the street to the Mission.
Bread, JD.
We parked over there.
Yeah, bread.
Oh, they have bread. There's a bread store, Josh. You want to check? We're at the bread store. Oh, they have this. I think I like this one. Chocolate cherry and a banana upside down cake. Look, the banana upside down cake. Or sour and cinnamon roll.
Cinnamon.
I would like to get this one. Can I get the banana?
Yeah. You want 2 of them?
Just one. What are you getting, Josh? Just one for me. He's happy. Oh, look at that, Josh. It's nice. And then
Peanut butter. Yes.
Anything else for you?
that's it.
Yes, you want to get any drink?
No,
You
yeah.
want to drink, Josh?
What do you want to drink, Josh? What's the
Can you get
seeds?
one root beer, please? The purchase.
What are those? What are the green one on top?
The reeds.
Seeds.
Ginger.
Beer?
The ginger ale.
Oh, ginger ale.
They're non-alcoholic.
No,
Yeah,
no.
but they're, yeah.
No, no. Yeah, can I get one? Thank
How about
you.
you, Josh?
As seen on TV, this is live. They have a cooking class. Oh, beautiful. They have Keristas here too. How about the ginger? What are you saying about the ginger? It's the old town Capistrano. Gorgeous, gorgeous place. And we got this craft ginger beer. This is non-alcoholic. And then the bread. Ooh. Daddy has the cookie. I have the other one. Josh doesn't like any. Still full. And we have this for our road trip back home. Prickly pear sour dots. We're on the old Mission Road. That's the trading
In
post. That's where
300
we came
feet,
from
bear
earlier.
right onto Camino
And that's the
Capistrano.
Marianne said 1812. Oh, that's
Yes.
a long time ago.
1812 is what I researched on.
I want to eat there again. But,
Me too. The place that we ate earlier. The Heritage Barbecue has a lot of...
fans.
Yeah, look at the line. Josh just is playing with his stones.
Oh, you put it in your treasure chest?
This is the Capistrano Town Center. We were supposed to eat there. Swallows Inn with live music. Oh, this is kind of like in New Orleans. This like right, this building.
I think we
Adobe
ate here
dining.
before.
In 700
Our
feet,
first
turn
time
left
here.
I
onto
can't remember
Belo
anymore.
Vista
This is
Street.
a very, very long time ago.